Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video on Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Inshot application, and for example guys, I'm going to remove this object from my video. First of all, we can click on this PIP option and we're going to overlay our video with the same video. And this is the same video. I'm going to click on it, then we can click on this icon to fit the screen and go to mask. We're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object, and here you can select the type of the mask you would like to apply to your video. I'm gonna go with the circle mask, for example. Then we can resize the mask like this and take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. And I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the unwanted object. Click on this check mark, then we can drag the mask to cover this object. We can also zoom in or zoom out. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Wait. Okay, and I think it's done. After you're satisfied with the result, you can click on this check mark, and this is the final result. And I know guys that maybe this trick can't be applied to all the videos you have, but at least here I just want to share to you how we can remove unwanted objects from our video. Alright guys, and that's all of the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.